antenna installation, antenna bracket fixing, tools and accessories required for antenna installation, antenna bracket installation. Carefully remove the accessories and nut from the lower adapter of upper arm so that it doesn't get misplaced. Place the down tilt adapter bracket to lower bracket and fasten securely. Place the items in the sequence flat washer, spring washer and nut and get properly tightened. Tighten all the nuts and accessories of the bracket firmly. Assemble mounting clamp in the bracket. Ensure all the items are fastened firmly in sequence. Fasten the threaded rod and accessories items in the mounting clamp in sequence flat washer, spring washer and double nut. Loosen all the existing items and accessories from the lower adapter of lower arm and fix mounting bracket carefully. Install all items in correct sequence, that is flat washer, spring washer, nut. Fix the mounting clamp on the lower arm of the bracket and securely fasten all the accessories. Place the threaded bolts and accessories in the mounting clamp firmly. Ensure no items or tools get misplaced during the installation. Antenna jumper waterproofing and leveling. Open the antenna port cover and securely fasten the jumper with proper spanner. Guidelines for doing waterproofing. Procedure for waterproofing taping. One layer of adhesive insulation tape, wrapping of this tape from bottom to top directions. Now 3 layers of waterproof taping, wrapping from bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top direction. And last, 3 layers of adhesive insulation tape, wrapping from bottom to top, top to bottom, bottom to top direction. Install the ties at 3 points on the waterproof taping, top, middle and bottom. The ties must be keeping 2 mm redundancy after cut. Use sector-wise color tape and plastic tag label, that is 200 mm away from the antenna port. Use color tape, red for sector 1, yellow for sector 2, blue for sector 3 and green color for sector 4 respectively.